Hey, hi guys, I hope you're doing amazing today. If you watched the previous part, you already know what we're working on today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint this beautiful little sparrow with watercolor. This is the reference photo I choose for today. I really love the soft tones in this one. For the legs, I'm mixing permanent rose with a little bit of yellow. For the first layer, I'm using the wet on wet technique. I'm gently covering the paper with a light brown wash. Then, with a slightly darker brown and just the tip of my brush, I start adding the feathers on the head and wing. Here I'm using an angled brush. It really helps with those fine feathered details. I slowly build up the layers, moving from light to dark to create dips. For the area around the eye, I'm mixing white with yellow ochre. The beak is a mix of light brown and yellow ochre. Just make sure you keep a nice contrast. For the eye, I use black for the pupil and add a tiny white dot to bring it to life. Thank you so much for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials. I see you in the next video, guys.